up, everybody? It's your girl YaadGarden Flavor. Me and my family decided to make a garden, and we're gonna take you guys along with us and watch through the whole process and everything. As you guys can see, we have already got started here. As you guys can see, my husband put the 4 pieces of board together to make a square. We got some cardboard at the bottom so the weeds will not interfere with the growing process. And we're putting some dry sticks
on my
to add
YouTube
some
channel
nutrients to the soil. This is my son. This is the soil that we be using. And you guys may be hearing
you turn it off
voices because I don't think I'm going to mute this video, so just enjoy us talking around and trying to figure it, because this is our first time doing this. So you guys, let's go.
give them to your father. No, what are we racing for?
I'm doing my own race.
How about you stay here and help?
So we live in like 20 minutes from the Atlantic City, 20 minutes from the airport, and you'll think like we live in the rural country area of Georgia, but we don't. We have a big yard space which we're grateful for. So keep watching as we build our garden, guys.
Okay, bare hands. Hey, just drop it.
On your mark. Or that.
It smells, Malika. I think that's why they like it. Make sure you wash your hands.
So as you guys can see, that 3 bag of dirt did not fill our little square. I think it is 48 inches by 48
I've
inches.
never seen this
So we had to
little
go back to Home Depot to get 2 more bags of dirt. And then we
like
got
two.
some more plant as well to
These
add
ones
to
look
our
like
garden. So
this
keep
is
watching
like
with
the
us. I'm so
stem.
excited to show you guys how far we have already reached. This is just the beginning.
I mean, it's not when the wind blows, it's good to have at your home. Put on my channel. Man, Malachi's starting a band. here we are. That day you guys were watching was Sunday. So this is a whole nother day. This is now Monday or someday in that week. And as you guys can see, we did plant those other plants before. Now I'm gonna plant my seeds and some other stuff. So keep watching, guys. So here we are. I bought these at Dollar Tree, as you guys can see, 4 for 1. I think I got about 12. And I just rest them there for now. I need to make some labels, but I guess once they start growing, we'll know exactly what they are. I put the cucumber in here for now, but this is it. We have our carrots right there. Have a lot of squash. I have winter squash, summer squash green, and then the summer squash the yellow. And then I have some beans, the lettuce, and then I have some green onions right there, scallion. I have my cilantro right there, and then I have some parsley. I just need to clean up out here. Then I put these in some pots. We are going to, I'm outside in the plane. We live like 20 minutes from the airport, so we go through this plane noise every day. I have some Spanish pepper. I put these in pot, the chive, the tomato, and more cilantro over there. My fingers are dirty, but yeah, this is it. We're just gonna let these grow up and then find somewhere to put these. We have some garlic right here and some onions in the middle, so let's see where this goes.